redefining hope from a scientific perspective. In the world of science, there's a fascinating experiment that sheds light on the concept of hope. It's a study conducted in the 1960s involving rats and water. These experiments, even though they would not be approved today, they revealed something very intriguing about the human condition and hope. In these experiments, rats were placed in a tank of water. Initially, the scientists wanted to check when the rats will actually drown. So they let them get tired, and eventually the rats gave up and died. The scientists found that on average the rats survived for about 15 minutes before drowning. The second time they ran the experiment, the scientists followed the rats as they were swimming trying to survive. When the scientists saw that they were almost depleted of energy, they rescued the rats. They watered and fed them, they dried them up and gave them time to rest. Then they put them back in the tank and measured how long the rats survived. Now, if this wasn't a scientifically supervised lab test, you wouldn't believe the results. So the first rats died after 15 minutes. The ones that believed that they were going to be rescued swam with determination and endurance and survived for an additional 60 hours. Just because they knew that help might be on the way as they were rescued before. Now this is a crazy figure. While we might not be rats in a water tank, this experiment holds a powerful lesson for us as human beings. Studies consistently show that individuals who maintain hope are more likely to succeed, overcome challenges, and lead happier lives. Life often presents us with situations that test our hope, whether it's facing a difficult career setback or a rocky relationship or health issues. We all go through moments of despair. It's during these challenging times that redefining hope can make a significant difference. How can we raise our hope in the face of adversity? Here are a few tools to help you navigate the wickedness of life. The first tool is through self-compassion. In moments of despair, you have to be kind to yourself. You have to acknowledge your emotions without judging your emotions. This is challenging, but actually makes everything shorter. Mindfulness helps you stay in the present moment and avoid getting lost in worries about the future that you can't control anyway. It's about finding hope in the now, recognizing that every moment holds the potential for change. And sometimes things change for the better that we simply couldn't foresee from a place of darkness and despair. The second tool for raising hope is resilience through learning and adaptation. Resilience is a key factor when we maintain hope. When faced with challenges, human beings can show great power. And when you are faced with challenges, you want to view these challenges as opportunities for growth and learning. You don't try to avoid the challenges, as reality will only bring you more challenges and harder ones probably. Tool number 3, social support and connections. If you would have asked me 15 years ago, I would have told you that my life is meant to be lived alone and that no one understands me. Hope often thrives in the company of others, so you can seek support from family, friends, support groups. Sharing our challenges and aspirations with others provides valuable grounding and perspective and encouragements. Sometimes we just forget that we don't have to navigate life alone. Tool number 4, setting realistic goals. I created a whole other video about letting go of expectations that you might want to check out on my channel. Now, while dreaming big is essential and it's good for manifestation, setting realistic and achievable goals can help you maintain hope. You want to break down your aspirations into manageable steps and celebrate the small victories along the way. Don't forget to keep your hope up. Each accomplishment will fuel your sense of progress and self. So to summarize, redefining hope backed by science empowers us to face life's trials with resilience. Human beings have done wonders. People have survived under collapsed buildings, under ruling tyrants, divided from their families for years, all with the power of hope. By practicing mindfulness and resilience, seeking support, and setting achievable goals, you can keep your flame of hope alive as well. Remember, just like those rats in the water tank, your hope can be your lifeline. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe to my channel. Or better yet, join my guaranteed life-changing workshops in the US, Europe, and Australia. Namaste, my friends.